Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to create AliExpress account. So for this I will use my browser. I go to official website of AliExpress. This is AliExpress.com, but if you have access to do it on your desktop version, I highly recommend you to do it, because on mobile it works just awful if I go to website. But anyway, at the top you should go to men icon that looks like this, and now I need to select option register, and now I can decide what exactly I want to use to create my account. It could be email address or phone number, and also you can select quick access. So I will use my Google account for this one. Select which account do you want to use, and actually AliExpress can ask you additionally to enter your password for that. So as you can see, if I go here again, you can see that I have just signed into my account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.